practicing cold calling. All right. It's like anything, whether you want to be a football player or a chef or an architect, everybody has to start somewhere. All right. You got to start off with little drawings. You have to start out playing catch in the back, with the family member, or you start making spaghetti and meatballs. All right. You've got to start somewhere. You've got to practice. Because what people don't realize, or agents don't realize, is that it takes time to get good. I didn't get as good as I am without practicing, because we do not, I'm going to repeat, we do not want to practice on our potential clients. We need to practice with other realtors. So the question is, how many role play partners should we have? 1, 2, all right, I'm going to get to point 5. We need to have 5. That's right, 5 role play partners. One for Monday, one for Tuesday. You're getting my gist here. Role play should last all of 15 minutes. All right, 7 to 8 for one, 7 to 8 for another. Now, the biggest mistake that people make, or agents make, is that they think this is a mastermind or a brain. It is not a brainstorm session. We are not sitting here trying to figure out how to sell our listings. We're trying to figure out how to take new listings. So you pick up the phone, you don't even say hello. For example, I'll pick up and be like, Matt, Aaron, eXp Realty, how you doing today? And we just go right into script. You go directly into your script. If you want to get formalities, call when lead generation is done. I should go roughly 5 to 7 minutes, and you got to role play, because when you role play, you need to do it hard. It needs to be difficult. A real phone call should never be as difficult as a role play, because what we want to see happen is we want that person to say, oh my God, I remember when Aaron said that back in the summer of '87. I wasn't role playing back in the summer of '87, but you get my point, okay? And you can pull from that to bring it into the phone call that you're making, all right? Then once your role play is completed, that person is going to tell you 2 things you did good. Your close was amazing, or I can't even think of the word I'm looking for here right now. It's not context or connotation. What's the word I'm looking? YouTube people, what's the word I'm looking for here? It'll come to me eventually. Something nice, all right? Then they're going to give 3 pieces of ideas that you can make yourself better. All right. You're going to say, your close wasn't strong enough. Your intro needed a little bit of work. Your iMessages, that's something for an entirely different video here as well. iMessages, use 17 iMessages. Then you go on to the next person, rinse and repeat. Monday, you have one person. Tuesday, you go to the next person. This should all be done before you pick up the phone to lead generate. It's like football players, getting ready and warming up on the sidelines before a game, because it's going to get you in the zone. It's going to get your mind ready. It's going to get your mind right. And that way you could pick up the phone, get those appointments, call it a day, make some money, move on, rinse and repeat. It was like context or connotation or tonality. That's what I was like. Maybe, I don't fucking know.